Hi, my name is Gianna Tolley. I'm visually impaired. I'm low vision, and this is my guide dog, Chevy. Hi, this is Chevy, my guide dog. He's from Guiding Eyes for the Blind in Yorktown Heights, New York. We had to go through training together to become a guide dog team. Our training was for a month in Yorktown Heights in July of 2005. That's when I got Chevy. Our bonding process still went on after the month training was over. We still had to bond and get to know each other to be close to work as a team together. Guiding Eyes dogs, when they're off their harness, they're just regular dogs. They love to play and run around and be regular dogs. When they're on their harness, that means they're working, and then they know when it's their job, and they guide visually impaired people around to keep them safe and independent lives.
When approaching somebody who's visually impaired and has a seeing eye dog, it's not appropriate to stop and pet their dog. It confuses the dog and distracts them from their work. Aw, poor Chev. He doesn't know what's going on now. Remember, just because somebody's visually impaired doesn't mean that they're any different than anybody else.
I like to do anything else that any other kid does. I like to go to the movies, hang out with friends, just normal kid stuff.